In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can calculate adiabatic flame temperature on your phone. More specifically, I'm building a Facebook chatbot on a Heroku server with Python with Conda installed Cantera environment. I know chatbot is not as hot as it used to be, but do you know what's always hot? Adiabatic flame temperature, because there's no energy loss in the system. Chatbot-based interface makes sense for flame temperature calculation because it's not trying to sell you a shoe or clothing, but I'll be passing an array of numbers with a type of fuel to get a certain number back. Here's a quick demo. Open up your Facebook Messenger and search at Cantera Chatbot, or go to this URL m.me/cantera.chatbot and send a message. You can also visit the Facebook page and start chatting on the computer as well. So if you say hi, hello, annyeong, test info help, it's going to guide you to the certain functions. Type in /help to see latest functions available in Cantera Chatbot. /methane is for methane flame temperature based on GRI 3.0 mechanism. Type in /methane first to see how it works. It will tell you to input temperature in Kelvin, pressure in kilopascal, air and fuel in kilogram per second. 17.2 is the stoichiometric air-to-fuel mass ratio. I find it more practical than equivalent ratio because it's in kilogram per second, just like at the combustion rig test or engine test, or even for boundary condition for your CFD simulation. If you want to use equivalent ratio, simply use these number, 17.2 kilovolt air, and enter 0.5 or 0.7 instead of 1 for lean combustion. /jet A or JP8 or JP10 ZAR4 jet fuel. It's based on HiChem from Dr. Hai Wang's group at Stanford University. It's using a real jet fuel from National Jet Fuel Combustion Program. /hydrogen is for, as you can guess, it's hydrogen flame. It's also using GRI 3.0. /syngas can take up to 3 species as a fuel. First, type in the species name like H2COCH4 and then volumetric fraction for them. Then the rest is the same procedures: temperature, pressure, air, and fuel mass flow rate. /y+ is just a y+ calculator, as you can find in cfd-online.com. It's made from my own frustration during combustion testing in my work. I wanted a quick and easy way to compute the correct amount of the fuel at constantly fluctuating flow conditions. Now you can compute the flame temperature on your laptop, on your phone, or even on your watch. Why, you ask? Because I can. I made it publicly available at my GitHub, so feel free to check it out, and I hope you find it useful. It's a small Python web application running on a Heroku server, so to make it publicly available, you have to submit an app review to Facebook people or Meta people, and one of your hero might come by to test your app. Let me know if you guys want a detailed tutorial, but the last thing that YouTube needs is another chatbot tutorial, I think. So until next time, bye.